Classic design meets sturdy construction in this ultra-sturdy linen platform bed by HomeLife. Place it against your wall as a color accent or in the center of a well-furnished room. Comes in a variety of rich shades to fit the decor of any space. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Premium polyester linen. Upholstered with premium polyester linen, the HomeLife platform bed provides sturdy construction and the expensive appearance of the classic headboard. Place the bed against your wall as a color accent or in the center of a well-furnished room. Also comes in a variety of rich shades to fit the decor of any space. Number 2. Wood construction. No box spring required. Sturdy wooden slats allow for better support and less sagging for both inner spring and memory foam mattresses. Mattress slats are made of sturdy hardwood to support the life of the mattress and ensure durability and support. No box spring is required. Number 3. Elegant design. Features an elegant headboard design with upholstered linen and durable construction. The classic silhouette is accentuated by tufted button accents and metal studs, perfect for a variety of bedroom styles. Number 4. Light gray platform bed frame. Number 5. Durable wooden slat design mattress support. Number 6. Dimensions. 85 inches length by 64 inches width by 41 inches height. Headboard height, 48 inches. Number 7. Silver button accents. Number 8. Easy to assemble. Number 9. No box spring is required. Number 10. Comes in 2 condensed boxes. Number 11. 5-year manufacturer warranty included. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.